Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you are going to perform the practical of digital communication. Normally in the syllabus they have given us a list of experiments where we have to perform that on the MATLAB. Now for today's situation we will perform that on the compatible compiler for the MATLAB, which is nothing but called as the Octave. So I will show you how you are going to perform that practical. Just in the Google you have to press Octave MATLAB. Now you have to click on this Octave Online Cloud IDE compatible with the MATLAB. This particular screen will be coming up. It will take some time. Okay. Now the thing is that suppose if this particular screen will be not appear on that, you have to log in with your Gmail ID, right? It will ask from this. Now you can see this will be there will be the different files, and this is called as a command window. This will be called as a command window, and here you can see the final output. Okay. Now whatever the experiment you have to perform, that experiment you have to edit on the notepad. Suppose this is what the experiment number 1. I've already edited this experiment number 1 on the notepad. Okay, and you have to save that with suppose I have saved this as a experiment number 1 with the extension is .m, right? Now this is what the experiment number 1 I've saved as a .m extension. Now I can upload that file from the desktop. Okay, now this is what we have, the experiment number 1.m file, and I will open that file. It will be directly, this particular file will be coming over here. Okay, now here, now that run button they have not showing that, so simply for this, to run this program I will copy this program and paste it on the command window and just enter. You can see this is what the output you are getting for the ASK. This will be your high frequency carrier signal. This is your input digital format signal, and final ASK signal, which is amplitude shift key, will be looking like this. This is your expected output. So similar way you have to perform the another experiment also. Suppose whatever, if you have a experiment number 2 is PSK, I will just edit that experiment on the notepad, save that file, save as the experiment number 2.m. Okay, so already it is saved, so I will just replace that, and I will again download that from this desktop, open that, and here I will copy this program, paste it on the command window, and just enter. So this will give you the output for the PSK, where you have a carrier signal, digital signal, and the expected PSK output over here. Thank you everyone.